What's up, guys? This is Brabo, and today I'm gonna show you my mining rig, custom made with wood frames, and it's pretty much a mess. I use a lot of I think there's straps in English to lock my setup. Why the fuck my dog is latindo? I don't know how to use it. And let me show you. I don't know why, but it's too high, the profitability. It was $6 in the morning. I recorded a video to YouTube this morning. It's the same day today, 3 of August. Let me check in the nice hash website if it's correct, this number. I changed a lot of things in my room. Oh my god, I'm mining $11 because I have another one, the RX 570. I don't know if I can see how much the it's here. So these rigs making $10 per day, and another one is making 0.77 cents. Probably it's having a lot of negotiations in the market, so the profitability it's go up. The only thing that I want to change, it's my CPU cooler. I have one Corsair H8060, I think. And it doesn't matter the CPU cooler for mining, so I want an air cooler. I want one air cooler. So that's it. That's my SSD. I have 3 hard drivers. That's pretty massive there. I don't know if I'm gonna clean that cables, but that's it for now. I put 3 fans holding my GPUs, and probably I will buy another GPU. Put here. I think that I can put 2 or 3 more GPUs if I put this more to the left, this, and I think that it's capable for 5 GPUs probably. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. $11 per day. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.